All right, kiddos. I'm going to do a quick sketch or two to show you what's up, because this project is confusing at times, and usually I'm there to help you and answer your questions, but I'm not right now, and I'm sorry for that. So let's start with a horizon line and get a vanishing point on both sides. When I was saying that you need to connect your first vertical line to the vanishing point, I mean for every single building that you make. So if this is one building, I need to make sure that I'm connecting the top of that line and the bottom of that line to both vanishing points. Okay, this is just for one building. So for every building you do, you need to do this. You put in your vertical lines in this space, and that will tell you how wide that part of your building's going to be. You need to make sure that you're not just laying your ruler on your page like this and saying, hey, that's straight. Sure, it's a straight line, but this one's a diagonal line now. Okay, so it's not vertical. We need to be doing vertical lines. Can we see that? Erase what you don't need on those guiding lines or receding lines. Erase inside your building. Okay. If you want to add a door, the top of the door, depending on what side of the building you're going to be on, is going to go to the vanishing point. And then you'll just, with a ruler, I'm just going to do it really quickly without vertical lines up and down, and now you have a door. Okay. If you want windows, depending on what side of the building you have them on, if they're on the left, the top of the window box would go to the vanishing point. The bottom of the window box would go to the vanishing point. And then you would close it off with vertical lines. Always use a ruler. I'm being lazy right now, just so I can be quick. Okay. What else do I want to tell you? I want to tell you that you can overlap buildings. So I can have one here behind. Oh, there's a hole in my table. This front building that's on the horizon line. And this will become above because it's either growing up from the horizon line or it's going to be blocked by the ones that are on. Okay, so notice I'm connecting to both vanishing points. That's how we get 2-point perspective. Whoops, readjust that a little bit. Make sure your ruler is touching your vanishing point. Maybe you want a street to be in here. I'm going to do like a little sidewalk first. So this could be a sidewalk perhaps. You're just connecting to your vanishing point. You want to make sure you're not drawing it inside your building because you don't walk on sidewalks inside of buildings. Okay. So this could be your sidewalk here. You can even drop a little vertical line down to thicken that up to make it look like an actual sidewalk. So I drop that little vertical line down. And then I connect to my vanishing point. So this is the side of my curb. Okay. And this is the actual walkway, where your feet go. So now I'm going to draw in little lines because this represents like little cement squares that are often on the sidewalk. Okay, those are connected to the left vanishing point. It's kind of like the top of a below building, so it's going to go that way. And the ones on this side will go to this vanishing point. I don't know really what you can see or not, but I hope you can see a lot. I probably should have zoomed in a little bit, but I'm learning. Okay. Now, you can do a building down here if you want. You can build more up here. You can add more to your horizon line. I have a very small space, so I don't have a lot of room to put something in there. But let's see if I can zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in this way because it's the front-facing camera. Here's a cat. All right, that's enough for now. Bye.